What?
Why are they like that?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so done with the fingers because I have a broken nail. But don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. How are you guys? What's poppin'? I'm here with Abigail. So she got some cookies.
I'm gonna try them
to
out.
put on the air fryer. Dude, so we got an air fryer, right? This is Wally right here.
Wally, say hi, Wally.
And we just kind of been obsessed with it. We made pizza bagels this morning. They were fucking fire.
Yeah.
And it's because our oven doesn't work. So that's kind of why we got an air fryer.
Yeah, pretty much.
So then Abby goes to make some cookies. And I'm going to try making this shit. I've been having it here for like a cool minute. It's just there. I mean, the oven doesn't work. So now that we have this, I'm going to just try making this right now. And guys, let me just tell you guys, we are not bakers. I love to cook. I could cook, but like baking, that's like a whole different shit, you know, way?
Well, for a minute, I felt like you were making like,
I was
and
like,
brownies.
but that was when I was like younger, you know, like I would make a couple shit. Yeah, I would make cookies, even out of scratch. You know, I could make pancakes out of scratch, but cookies, like, no. But this is a fucking mix, and it says all you need is a huevito and
butter.
But I need a pot. Well, we're gonna get bacon, so we're not that late. We burned, but we're gonna smoke with you guys after. So get your baking utensils. Oh yeah, get your stuff ready.
I think we're good, dude. We're sending them off.
All right. Does it say what time to put it?
Oh yeah. Oh, I have to read that. Wait, let me see what it says.
I'm dead. Wait. Well, I'm gonna get all the stuff ready, and then
it says 10 to 12 days. I'm putting it for 12. Okay.
Okay.
All right, it's going.
Let's see what they do.
See you in a bit, Wally.
All right, guys. So we got those cooking. Okay, we're gonna do this. I got a bowl, and I'm gonna just like hand mix it. Oh, I didn't even. I'll get it after. Actually, no. Let me get it right now. I got the wooden spoon. All right, let me put my sleeves up here. I fucking love this sweater, dude. It's like Winnie the Pooh vibes, and it's so warm. Anywho, okay, let's open this bitch up. It says we're gonna put 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. We have olive oil, so that's what the fuck we're gonna use. Okay, so just cut it open. Pour it all in there. Oh, it already has the chocolate chips in there, huh? Dude, I'm dead with this. Have you guys ever made cookies in the air fryer? I'm so done. Okay, so that's the powder. And then it says 1/3 cup, 2 tablespoons of water. What the fuck? Okay, well, I need 2 tablespoons of water. So let me get water. And then the 1 egg. Okay, so 2 tablespoons. That's just like a regular spoon. For me, I'm tanteándole, dude. I don't really have those measuring cup thingies. So here's 1. It says 2. I'm gonna just follow all the ingredients here, dude. 2. There we go. 1/3 of olive oil. It says vegetable, but I don't have vegetable. So olive oil will do. And it says a 1/3, and I did find the 1/3 cup. Thank God, dude. Okay, ready? Really? Ready? Fill that bitch up 1/3. Okay. And then dump it in there. And then the huevito. Fuck, but then I'm gonna have to add the fucking... Oh! I think... I don't know if I have to add butter or if it's butter or vegetable oil. No, but I haven't put the butter in. But it's because I don't know. Nah, yeah, I think it's either or. Whoa, fuck. I think it would have been better with butter, no? Yeah. Should I add a little bit?
You put the oil?
Yeah. Nah, it's good. It's going to be good with the oil.
Alright, fuck it. Yeah. No butter.
We got that. Fucking caught that before, dude. Mine's a little wet now. But I guess we did it with fucking olive oil. Ooh. Oh, wait. I need the fucking egg. Don't forget the egg. Sometimes the eggs be playing, bruh. Whoosh.
Oh my gosh.
Did they explode?
They got overcooked. It was 4 minutes.
Left?
Barely in there. I think I have to put it for last time.
It's cause, bruh.
I don't think they're ready yet.
No?
You? Nah,
Well, then
no,
put it
no.
lower.
Yeah.
So we're literally just mixing, guys. I think these are gonna come out.
Good as fuck.
So we're just mixing away, guys.
Yep.
Just fucking mix this bitch, dude. I guess this is even easier than what I thought.
Yeah.
I don't think I threw
Damn,
it
this has hella chocolate
Oh
chips.
shit, I threw away the baby. I shouldn't even throw it away, huh?
And lit.
Because we need it.
Okay, I think these things are ready. You?
I mean,
I think so.
I don't know, bro. I go get a fork and go like that. If it doesn't, we're just gonna go away until those are done. And I guess just put these bitches in there. Let's get some ice cream to eat it with the cookies.
Look, see?
Oh, it's been ready.
Now it is.
Well, why is one hell destroying?
I don't know. And why are they like
Look,
that?
let me show you guys. Hold on. Like, what are we doing wrong?
Yeah, like what am I... Is it too hot? Is that what it is?
Dude, I don't know. Look at that shit in the middle way. Yes, sir. Alright. Come on, Wally. Okay, so they look like this. Abigail already fucking poked the shit out of them. Well, that's because I told her to, like, poke, like, down. And if nothing comes out, then it's ready. But, I don't know. I don't know if we should leave it a little bit. Let's just let it finish. I think it has, like, I don't know, 4 or 5. No. 3. Alright, so we're gonna smoke a fucking a jeter. I'm excited for the fucking cookies, bro. But they're still not fucking ready. I thought they were, but they're not. So this fast when we were trying to get it out. We gave Rita a cookie. I was like, oh, it doesn't taste like weed, huh? She was like, what the fuck, it has weed? But I don't know if she thinks it still has weed. What she said when you gave you the other one? Abigail.
What?
What did she say when you gave her the other one?
She said, ay, no, ustedes me están tratando de poner a dormir.
Oh,
And I was
shit.
like, no.
So she still thinks it's actually
Mhm,
weed. Sure. You don't have an ashtray, bruh?
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Like, cook, you know, edibles. Like, you know. But, what was I gonna say? Yeah. One time we did do it. We did chocolate covered strawberries. We put it on the chocolate. And we felt that shit, dude. I wasn't smoking like that at that time. But we just made it. And like, I felt it. I got pretty lit. I was like, what the fuck? We were experimenting that time too. Let's go. Or what do you think?
Oh, that shit's hot. Fuck.
You think they're ready now?
I think so. Fuck.
Yeah, I feel like they are. Well, we have another batch to do.
Yeah. Just munch it, dude. It's honestly really good. It's really toasty.
Really? I kind of burnt myself. But try.
Where's the milk? Making the second batch.
Yeah.
Is this good? Is it ready?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's do this. How much
Let's
should we
try
say?
it.
Let's go. Let's do it. It's so hot.
Is it? Oh, fuck. I like it.
It's hella good.
Let's give it some more edible.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Oh, hell yeah, these are fire. We made some cookies.
Dude, they're pretty fire.
No, let me show you guys.
Yeah.
Like, look at this shit. Look. They look hella good. Well, I already bit this one, so I'm gonna finish it. But
That
wow.
one? You gonna finish that one?
Oh, well.
Let's all take some of this one.
Dude, they're good. Some ice cream?
On top or with him? Sandwich.
Oh, dude. What the fuck?
What?
You're like, sandwich. I got pizza off. Oh shit, we're still over here too.
I don't recall.
So I forgot to show you guys like the ending of the whole cookies. Okay, it might look like a little, you know, confusing here and there, but let me show you guys. So we have those little ones that we did first, and this is the last batch. These over here are like the first batch. Those were good, like those were fire, dude. These were the second batch. They're a little bit like browner. You could tell, you know, more golden, a little bit crispier. They're honestly pretty hard. And then these are like the third batch. Very crumbly because, dude, they just, I don't even know. This one's alright, you know, but I mean, they were all pretty bomb. They were fire.
Yeah.
You know, they're good, I guess. Now we know. I don't know. But we got it, you know. We're gonna try the snickerdoodle ones next. Well, now we know for next time.
they're good.
Bruh, yes, you fucking.
Yum. No, this is how.
All right, guys, but yeah. So let me know if you guys try this or if you guys bake in the air fryer. Give us some tips and tricks, you know, and stuff like that. Or if you make them out of scratch, what's your recipe? All right, guys, don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. And let me show you guys what the fuck we're gonna eat right now, just to show you guys.
I'm just putting some juice.
Some nachos, bro.
You're gonna want a jalapeno? A jalapeno?
I guess. All right, guys, stay litty. See you guys next time. Bye.